Azure limits, maximum role assignments. Understanding Azure role assignment limits. Navigating the 4,000 cap. In the world of cloud computing, managing access and permissions is crucial for maintaining security and operational efficiency. Microsoft Azure, a leading cloud service provider, offers a robust role-based access control (RBAC) system to help organizations manage who has access to Azure resources. However, one important aspect to be aware of is the role assignment limit, which is capped at 4,000 per subscription. What is a role assignment? A role assignment in Azure RBAC is a way to grant access to Azure resources. It consists of three elements. Security principal. This can be a user, group, service principal, or managed identity that needs access to Azure resources. Role definition. This is a collection of permissions. Azure provides multiple built-in roles, such as owner, contributor, reader, and many more, each with a specific set of permissions. Scope. This defines the set of resources the access applies to, such as a subscription, resource group, or a specific resource. Azure imposes a limit of 4,000 role assignments per subscription. This limit is designed to ensure optimal performance and manageability of access controls. While this might seem like a substantial number, it can be quickly reached in complex environments with many resources and users. In the next few minutes, I will demonstrate how easy it is to reach the limit without proper planning of identity and access management architecture. Subscription role assignment limit works for all Azure resources. In the demo, I will use storage account containers with one role assignment per container. So, let us start from logging into Microsoft Azure Admin Panel. Now in top search box, type storage accounts and hit enter. The list of currently existing storage accounts is shown. For our testing purposes, we are going to create a new storage account. Now click Create New Storage Account. For the test, we are going to perform the configuration settings of storage account does not matter. Once the storage account is created, we can check in Storage Browser that we do not have any blob containers except $logs. To demonstrate Azure role assignments limits, we will use PowerShell code. To prove that the code is correct, first we will create 20 storage containers and create a single role assignment using for loop. As we can see from Storage Browser that 20 containers were created and role assignments were created. Finally, let us try to create additional 3,980 containers with role assignments using almost exactly the same PowerShell script. However, this time it should result in failure. As we can see, the last creation of role assignments in PowerShell resulted in error. We can verify first in the portal that storage containers and role assignments were created. And finally, we can verify that the error can also be found in the activity log. There are at least 4 strategies that allow you to overcome role assignment limit problems. Use resource groups. Instead of assigning roles at the individual resource level, assign roles at the resource group level. This reduces the number of role assignments needed. Leverage built-in roles. Use built-in roles wherever possible instead of creating custom roles, as this can simplify management and reduce the number of assignments. Review and clean up regularly. Periodically review role assignments to remove any that are no longer needed. This helps in staying within the limit and maintaining security. Use Azure Policy. Implement Azure Policy to enforce and manage role assignments across your subscription, ensuring compliance with your organizational standard. Understanding and managing the Azure role assignment limit is essential for maintaining a secure and efficient cloud environment. By implementing strategic practices, you can effectively navigate this limitation and ensure that your Azure resources remain well protected and accessible to the right people.